Okay, the next one we're going to do is not C or parenthesis A and B parenthesis. Not C or parenthesis A and B parenthesis. Line 2, C occurs. Line 3, it is not the case that A and B occur. It is not the case that both A and B occur, which we of course mean if we distribute that, it is not the case that A occurs, or it is not the case that B occurs. One of them has to fail, we know that. Those are the assumptions. Go ahead and work it out. Alright, so on line 4, the very first thing you should have had is a split for line 4. Just like that, you split on line 4 to not C, or disjunction there, and A and B. And that's line 1, disjunction, decomposition. Now we have C occurring in line 2 and not C in line 4. Close that. Because we've got a contradiction, you don't need to investigate that line any further. Next we're going to decompose that, so our line 4 ampersand decomposition gives us A and B. So we've got line 4 decomposed and line 1. Now let's decompose line 3. And to do that, we're going to get a negative A and a negative B as the two possibilities, because we're just going to distribute that. Either it's going to be negative A possibility or negative B. Let's investigate this line. Negative A, contradiction. Negative B, B, contradiction. So all the possible truth assignments for this set are contradictory, and therefore this set is truth functionally inconsistent or wrong. Next exercise, get this because it's a ugly one. Parenthesis tilde F ampersand tilde G parenthesis ampersand parenthesis G disjunction I parenthesis ampersand parenthesis I disjunction ampersand parenthesis I disjunction tilde H parenthesis tilde H parenthesis. Okay, that's our first sentence. Our second sentence is not F and not G. Not F, not G. And our third sentence is, oh, I'm sorry. So that's our it caught me by surprise. That's our assumption, of course. That's our only assumption, and we're going to break that apart. So not F and not G, as we might recognize, comes from right here. Not F and not G, line 1, conjunction decomposition. So on line 3, of course, we're also going to have the continuation of our conjunction decomposition, and we're going to have the other part of that sentence, which is G or I and I or not H. And of course on line 4 we're going to go not F, and on line 5 not G. We're taking line 2 apart, so we'll finish that and that. Not F, not G. And that's line 2 ampersand decomposition. On line 6, we're going to go G or not I. G or not I. That comes from line 3, ampersand decomposition. Now what else do we have on line 3 in the ampersand G composition? G, or I'm sorry, let's see, G or not I, so this up here I misprinted, it was supposed to be a not. But you already knew that, not I. And yeah, clear up here in this original I misprinted, we had to have a not I hope you got that. Probably said it out loud, but anyways, if you didn't get that, rewind and go to there and do that. So, line 6 we have G or not I. On line 7 we have I or not H. And that also comes from line 3, ampersand decomposition. Now that we've got line 1, line 2, and line 3 all closed, line 4 and 5 don't need to be closed. So how about line 6? Let's close line 6. I'm going to close line 6 right here by saying G or not I. Well, G, not G. So that one's out.